Merry Christmas from your friends at hairydoorknob on YouTube.com. Ralph, and Cody are about to blow up a condom we found in my wallet, supposedly. Okay, so let's get started. Ralph will be the pumper and the holder between the legs.
Scoot off. Okay, go ahead.
Start pump, or me pump?
Yeah. Okay, do it.
It disconnected.
Just minor problems like this can cause a video to go.
Up the toilet, you mean?
Yeah, down the toilet.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. And it's not doing it because it doesn't like Devin, supposedly.
Fuck.
Hold right there.
Get that away from me. You bastard.
Try it. Yes.
You still have to hold it though. Oh my gosh.
Dude, this sucks.
Get that away from my face. Dude, oh my god. It's shaking, oh my gosh, I'm about to explode. Oh my gosh!
Dude. Looks like a giant light bulb.
Thomas Edison's condom.
That was so gay. Is this still blowing up?
Yes.
Holy crap.
Dude, get that away from me.
Holy crap.
Oh my gosh. Dude, holy shit. I'm going to hold it up the other leg. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Pump faster.
Ah! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh, golly, my
Stop
ear.
it. Ah, look.